Trade war between the United States and China is here. It's real. At the stroke of midnight, the U.S. hit China with tariffs on $34 billion worth of goods. China immediately responded with its revenge tariffs of equal value, accusing the U.S. of launching the largest trade war in economic history and calling America trade bullies.
Between our two countries, the United States and China, sort of finally reached a head where some folks on one side, namely ours here in the United States, have grown increasingly frustrated with the challenges of navigating the business environment in China. On the other side, you have this colossal country that has been sort of managing this migration to a bigger impact on the global stage. And ultimately, we're left with a fairly heavy-handed set of policies that are being implemented, but nonetheless reflecting legitimate and inevitable confrontation that I think was going to take place between these countries, no matter what.
Heightened trade tensions between China and the United States has resulted in significant slowdown in many areas.
The biggest impact to us has been just manufacturing products within countries and shipping them across borders.
The free flow of those products and the ability to compete in a world with a lack of tariffs and the free flow of goods is vitally important to our business.
We can't grow in a profitable way without being able to manufacture goods across markets efficiently and get them to consumers' hands as quickly as possible.
We will know who loses the trade war, and it's the ultimate consumer.
Trade wars tend to reduce competition and cost the consumers a lot of money.
Given that it looks as that the trade war may last for a longer time, prices are expected to increase, and then the question is, what do you do with your consumers? Manufacturers can intervene and sort of say, hey, we may want to make sure that our consumers do not notice anything going on. That means that they would have to cut their margins.
So it impacts us both on the supply side and on our customer side.
I think the consensus is it will be damaging to economies.
There are no winners. Both the US economy and the Chinese economy are going to pay consequences and suffer consequences for this.
China should lower tariffs. The market can be more open. That will be good for consumers. That will also improve domestic competition. An adjustment also has to be done by the United States.
The best solution for US would have been to actually talk to its other trading partners and come up with a unanimous strategy to fight against unfair trade practices.
Engage with our friends around the world. Let's come together as a force to push China to make the improvements along this institutional dimension. That seems to be not the direction that we're headed at present.
you